Hey, I'm Justin from HDANYWHERE. We're in Hall 1, booth N134 here at ISE. Thank you for joining us. We are the purveyors and makers of some of the best video distribution products on the planet, certainly in our opinion anyway. But what we have here at ISE today is MHUB Pro 2.0, possibly the redefinition of what a video matrix could and should be. The MHUB Pro 2.0 allows us incredible power. We are able to call up ARC on command. We are able to handle a wide range of audio and video inputs distributed to 8 zones in this particular model. We have a 100-meter range on HD Class C. We have an incredibly intuitive U-Control app that allows end users the most beautiful experience of their video and audio system. And we integrate exceptionally powerfully with third-party control systems. So MHUB Pro 2.0 is for pros who care about offering clients value, care about finding the best solutions, care about bringing the best possible experience to the purchasing and enjoyment of video systems in home entertainment. On top of that, what we're going to be introducing in the future is a control system. We're calling these zone processors, where we take a lot of the power of our U-Control system built into these and we offer them in a standalone capability in a box or a system that allows us to do some amazing control of devices or zones. This is called Zone Processor, and this will be coming soon. So at HDANYWHERE, we don't think in the box, we don't make dumb matrices, we make some amazing stuff. Visit us at HDANYWHERE.com.